Today we're going to be playing with Orbeez Colours. Orbeez are so much fun to play with. Do you know how they work? It's all about chemistry. They're made of a super absorbent polymer that lets them to absorb so much water they can absorb from 100 to 300 times their size, while still being cute and balanced. If you want to challenge yourself, you can put some clear Orbeez in some cold water. It becomes invisible. And then you can just scoop them right up because you can see their shadows. And then you have a slimy Orbeez. We're going to make the color purple in this bottle. First, you will need blue, be careful because the stains. Now you need to use the red. You use about 1/4 from every color. Now you shake it up. You need to let this stand for 30 minutes. While we wait, let's make our second batch. You will need half a red bottle to make the red color. Be gentle, don't break them. Play safely and have fun.